a new craft. Let's start with it. The things we need: 3 different colors of paper and a pencil. 3 different color paper should have same length and size. Turn the sheet back. Fold it in half. The same thing, do the 2 sheets which I have done. Now take one sheet, fold it. The another sheet, keep it here this way like a T shape. Now take another sheet, the yellow sheet, you have to keep it this way. Now open here, this pink sheet should put inside the green sheet. Slowly go on pulling the sheet. Pull it tightly, all the 3 sides. Now take the pencil, roll the edge of the paper little bit. Now your fan is ready. Let's see how to play with it. Now take a sharp pencil or a pen, keep in the middle, hold it and blow. Fan is ready.